morning. Get Discord pulled up too. Do, 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 do. Dun, 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 dun. All right. Ooh, Knots is gonna come on over to the stream on YouTube and X. Let me get him this invite link. Do, 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 da, 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 da. Happy Friday, everybody. Remember, market is closed on Monday. For those that don't know. Good morning, good morning. So yes, we do have holiday on Monday. So it is a long weekend. Uh-oh, I see a sexy man waiting behind the scenes. Hold on, let me get him up here. Look at this guy. Oh,
Look at
snap.
this fella.
Look at this handsome fella.
Ooh, look at this.
What's up? All right, let's see what we got going on. FAFO Friday. Gonna get down on Friday. Oh, it's OPEX as well. OPEX. So we are either due for a lot of chop inside this range, or premiums might be a little bit wild today. So you have your big support down here on SPY around previous day high, previous month high, volume point of control, all is lining up around 691.72. Your resistance just starting over around 695, 695.50. We do, so QQQ hit the 50% retracement from swing low to swing high up here. And it came about halfway into the gap yesterday, which lined up perfectly where SPY's previous day high, and that area is right here. So big support down there. Been going back down lower. Look to fill the gap. So 619 on Qs. As of right now, things are looking very, very good. Pushing back up on QQQ. NVIDIA looking very strong. Chip names looking strong. IWM being a little bit weaker. It is still down there near yesterday's closing price. Got Tesla's in a 15-minute and 1 hour squeeze. Watching this pennant right now. It's underneath 440. NVIDIA is holding trend line. Resistance just above near 190 psych. Not got that dog in him.
Yeah. Yeah, baby. I got that dog. Don't mind me. Just writing my life away in taxes right now.
Oh, is that what you're doing?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
What a shame.
I know. We'll probably end up starting
Dude.
mine. Start doing mine here soon. Not excited. Not excited at all. Tax season.
My screen went black.
Market opens up here in a few seconds. We have a Jason behind the scenes here.
Hassan.
There
Am I
he
up?
is.
What's up?
Mr. Paper Gains.
Good morning.
Morning, good morning. 3, 2, 1, ding, ding, ding.
So fast.
Let's see what the market has to offer today.
Okay.
Oracle just broke previous day low.
Yeah, I'm
Ooh,
actually
there goes
short
Rocket
Oracle.
Lab, new high day.
Me too.
Yeah, ASTS Rocket Lab are crazy.
Oh my
I'm on Unity also.
Da, 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 da. Oh, just got an alert on Oracle. I already know it's underneath previous day low. You don't have to remind me. Alerts, alerts. All right, Tessie. Tessie trying.
Come on, Meta.
Tessie upside. Oh.
Our Rocket Lab 95s are about to go in the money.
Let's see.
Meta, I'm looking for a move to 629 to 632. Dude, this guy is like ridiculous right now.
There was some flow on those 95s
Was there?
the other day, yeah, on RKLB. There was indeed. MU with a monster candle upside, AMD with a drizzy candle downside. Da 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 da. Let's see. Vol DQ opened up negative, pushing up a little bit though. Vol D opened up negative. Vol DQ opened up positive.
My hoodie sub 110.
Did it break 110 out of the gate, Hood?
Yeah.
Ah!
They done did it.
Oh, it did exactly what me and Will were talking about yesterday. I have it pulled up here on the other chart. Bounce at 110, retest 113, and then fail.
Yeah.
And that's what happened in pre-market session. Daggum.
Okay, 95s are in the money.
RKLB.
I'm going to look to trim here up over $300 a contract.
No extension on the
Nice.
Qs yet. Little pullback. I'm just gonna let this one ride. I don't need to keep that up. Dude, ASTS 10%.
They had news last night, right?
I don't know.
I think I saw a trending headline.
Yes, they did have news. I forgot what it was, but yes, they had news. It was good news.
China down again.
Tessie's trying to do the diddly watch these 445 calls. She's getting a little poppy.
She's on the 50. I'm watching Avita. I ran with the Ripper. Microsoft holding Meta hold. Ooh, what do we do, Meta? You're right there.
Okay, so
Ondas. Woo!
What I say, Meta upside 630s.
Yeah, I'm gonna trim my Ondas $20 calls I sent on X yesterday up 44% here. Yee motherfucking haw.
yeehaw. I just need Meta to go. Meta, she wrote.
RKLB, new 52-week highs.
Yep.
Damn, son.
Where'd you find this?
All right, trimmed. Yay. I guess send it in the channel.
So the reason why I got long Rocket Lab yesterday was that inside day was perfect. You look for continuation out of that. Obviously, ASTS helped with the news, but you look for continuation out of that inside day. Honestly, kind of same reason I went long Meta. I'm waiting for Meta to break 625. Then we get into 629 to 632.
Ooh, NVIDIA trying here. I'm gonna grab these Tessie 445s for a little FAFO. Watching a video trying to break this 190.
Bentley, dude, stop.
Nice, Tessie. Nice retracement. Go, baby, go. Oh, Tesla. I'm going to trim Tesla here. 38%. Bing bong. Go, Tessie. Go, Tessie. All right, I put a stop in at 175 on those 445s. What date is Friday, baby? 0 DTEs.
There goes Meta. It's doing it.
Get off my screen.
Oh, I've been long Meta from yesterday. I got nice longs.
There you go, Tesla. Boom.
I want 629 to 632 for Meta.
Tessie could push to, if this holds this 50 on Tessie, it could be a like extended move.
Oh, Tesla. All right, I'm out half. There we go.
Microsoft at Euro highs.
Look at that retracement and ripper. Previous day high coming up, baby. Oh. $120 per contract gain. Tesla 445 calls. Oh, yeah.
Microsoft.
Holy bejeebus. Oh, shit.
465, 462 and a half.
88% Tesla 445s in the money. She's exploding. Ah!
Oh, here goes Meta.
112% Tesla 445s. Holy shit. What a ripper. $235 per contract gain. I have no position. I'm out. All out, baby. That's how you start the fucking day. Oracle is dumping, by the way. Nice, Oracle. You gonna make me trim.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I am gonna trim Oracle puts here. We called these out yesterday live on the stream. Take some off here.
Okay. I'm just waiting to see what the market does here, and then I'm going to look for spread soon.
Oh, look at that sexy guy right there.
Who's sexy?
Yeah.
Oh, that guy? Okay, I'm out of Meta for profit. I'm out of Rocket Lab for profit. I'm just waiting now.
Yo.
Do you hear my dog?
I do. Is he like?
He's like seasoning out because I'm not on the couch with him.
He's making
Come
some
here.
weird sounds.
Okay, we are dipping here. Happy I sold all that. Good. Yeah, I'm gonna wait now and just wait and see. Wait and see.
Nice downside move, Oracle. Thank you. The Oscar covered calls are up 80%. The Rivians expire today. They should be 100. My PayPals from yesterday are up 80%. So all covered call positions are looking fantastic. Frankie. Good morning, Frank.
Morning, guys. How are you?
Good morning, Franklin.
Good, sir.
Just checking, scanning the globe, see where I'm going to be here.
All right. Nice move. We're entering into this bottom zone here on Oracle. Previous week lows closer to 186.2, just shy of another dollar downside. Puts are at 290 here. So looking good. Can move a stop to entry to secure green trade.
Damn, Rocket Lab's still going. Holy shit. Took a like $3 dip and then now it's back up. Same thing with Meta. I did just close those for profit.
Ooh. All right. I'm about to take another one off as we're getting close here on Oracle. Getting close to 300. Here we go. All right, I'm going to take another trim on Oracle and then we'll move a stop to entry.
Dude, what do you want? Oh my god.
Bang, Oracle.
Dude, stop. Go sit down. Like, it's ridiculous.
It's the doodle. Vol D still negative, Vol DQ positive. VIX at 1550.
Rocket Lab, new high day.
Still going?
Yep. Wow, look at CRM. It's actually coming right into a zone I like right here. It's 226. I might have to buy this. I tapped at 226 and bounced $2 already. Shit, I may have missed it a little bit. Look at A-Lab. A-Lab's going. Qualcomm is down $23 in 5 to 6 days. Just about to hit the 200 SMA. May have to even grab that. Also at the volume shelf here. Shit.
Which one's that?
Qcom.
Get rid of all this craziness.
Qcom watching for a swing long. CRM watching for a swing long. Both at reversal spots.
Yeah. QCOM as it gets down closer to this 160, 158 area. That's looking good for a bouncy down here. Rocket Lab 97.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my goodness, ASTS is still going.
Yeah, it is
Was
ripping.
15.5% right now. Oh, Will's here. What's up, Will? Will, did you swing? Did you swing Oracle puts with me?
Squilliam, fancy son.
Squilliam.
I have an Oclo put spread that closes today, but I should be good. It's $4.50 out of the money.
Oh, Bishop took 442.5 calls.
On Teller?
Yeah, on the opening candle.
Oh, IWM just ripped for new high day. Full dollar candle there. All right, now we just wait.
Now we wait.
Now we wait. Nah, we wait.
It won't let Will come up on the stream. Wonder why. Oh wait, he's there.
There you go. Hey, I got a trade idea right out of the gate.
Oh, let's do it.
Pull up NOW service now on the daily.
No. Okay.
Okay.
Look at the
On the daily
yep. Look at the support level right at 128, all the way to the left.
from May of 2024.
Yeah,
You got it
right there.
You're right there. So watch that level.
Right here.
Did you just hear what I was talking about on kind of like the same thing? Look at CRM
Yep.
on the daily there. Big
Yeah,
drawdown over the last few days, right into the November and the August tap there.
Yeah, I mean, service now could be one of those kind of that, like I always say, the basement window trade. Like you get in it, you give it a couple % of risk and see if it holds this 128 level, or you can wait and just see if you get a candle that holds a 128 or 127.60. I think is the target I had. You're right at the 61.8. Is that right?
Yeah, you're right under dipping just underneath of it right now. But yeah, I mean, especially after this overextension that it's having. I mean, for a support bounce area on it, like
Yeah, that low was 127.60 that I have marked on my chart. And you got an RSI down at 19, so into a support level. I don't know if you have any. You probably do on the not yet, but I was looking on the 4 hour. I'd like to see some, or 1 hour, see some bullish divergence kind of set up before I jump in it. But you might be able to sell puts against that level. I don't know what the options look like in there. But if you like it, maybe it's some 110s or something, which there's some support down there. Obviously, there is earnings on this name, so I think next week on the 28th.
Not any kind of crazy juice on the premiums for next week.
Yeah, because of the earnings coming up, obviously. But just one that I saw. I mean, that thing's been absolutely annihilated.
After their split, yeah.
The other one is just broke to new lows again, is Adobe that's coming into an interesting level down. I think we got a little bit lower to go, but Adobe, maybe if we get down to the 280s, I would mark that as a alert on your chart for like this 280 level as we get into those lows. Adobe. The other one, look at Datadog. That just broke a huge top as well. There might not be any end in sight in that one. That broke that 123 low, 123.42.
Yeah.
Ugly looking chart.
That is disgusting.
The other one is CrowdStrike breaking down below the 200. It did finally fill that gap up, but 402 is probably a target for that one.
Holy Datadog. I mean, even the monthly Evening Star.
Yeah, look at that thing. Huge.
But, I mean, stock was all the way at 200. So just the last two previous monthly candles, I mean, you're talking just from right up here, I mean, minus 30% drop in the freaking stock.
Look at AppLovin down another 4% today. That's another one.
That one actually has room to still go. It breaks this spot here.
Yep. And then here's another one. Team, TEAM. That's breaking the new lows. Another NASDAQ 100 stock. Look at that thing.
Oh, Jesus.
Start looking at these NASDAQ 100 stocks and you're going, starts to it's a little different picture than when you just look at the main memory names. Palo Alto breaking down as well.
If it gets down to 115 right there.
Yep.
That'll be a interesting spot right here. I mean, that's lows from 2019 and 2020. retested again in 2022. We're about to enter into it right now again.
Yeah, and then the other one was Pan W, Palo Alto Networks. That one has now broke back below the 9 and the 21 and still below the 50 and the 200.
Okay, we are draining here now.
Drainage.
Yeah.
Dropping
Oh, no,
down.
you look some of these other tech names outside of the memory names and stuff, like, you know, Western Digital and Seagate, SanDisk and stuff. They don't look that healthy.
No,
Just rolled through a handful of charts.
not at all.
But I think you still.
WDC had a gap up yesterday with a bearish candle. Now it's possibly trying to engulf bearish.
The other one I would alert just quickly that's been just absolutely rocked the last week is Intuit INTU coming into this 532 level.
Yeah, I remember you
Oh my
talking about
god!
that
Yeah,
one
yes,
yesterday.
yes.
That one could be that's 538 right now. It's within about
Look at the
$6
April
of that
low.
low. Yeah, the April low is INTU. That thing is just getting murdered.
Mm-hmm.
Look at the daily. It's crazy. But that could be an area that that 532 for a trade. Super oversold. Obviously, again, we have earnings, you know, in a few weeks, but starting to come into a level that you should find support somewhere, at least for a bounce.
God, there's some ugly daily and weekly charts.
Yeah, the market is coming.
That's
in.
16.5% just on the weekly candle. What's going on with the hoodie? Is the hoodie dying? Oh, Will, it played out.
Yeah.
It played out pre-market. Look.
Yeah.
Look.
Yeah,
Look.
it did. You're right.
Look, it came down to 110. Look, it bounced straight back up, retested the trend line
And
in
then
the
rugged
area,
it.
and now it's going lower. It literally did it perfectly pre-market. Right there at the close, went back up and sold back down.
Yep.
Couldn't have been. Look, here it is on the hourly. Look.
Yep. That was the perfect setup. Really was.
And now it's going.
Yeah, not a. If we end up closing, I mean, I'm not saying
just
that
QQQ just filled the gap
Yep.
from overnight session. Now, if we come back down, previous day low around 620.75. Under that, the previous overnight gap, take it back down closer to 619.
If the market turns around, watch Microsoft and Meta because they're actually Meta. If market turns around, goes 630s.
Another interesting where we get some initial sell-off here. These upper areas just seem to keep rejecting. Maybe we'll go test that 69.41. But if we close this weekly candle, I mean, we got a lot of time today, obviously, but either at the lows or back down by the 9 or something where we give up this whole day and the whole week. It looks just don't know if that sets us up for the big move higher. I mean, NVIDIA is obviously strong today. That's your highlight. But look, Google again, not. If you look at if we close kind of lower today with Google, look at the candle for the weekly on Google. That will start to look more like a topping tail.
How does the breath look?
It's a good question. Let me take a look.
Because Meta and Microsoft are holding pretty well. I know other individuals aren't. I mean, Tesla is dipping now.
Yeah, Tesla's been really struggling at that 4
Oof. Google's
50 day.
cracking.
Yeah,
they're bringing this baby down.
I sold some call spreads in Google yesterday.
By the way, there goes WDC.
I did do the short Kava, short Chipotle yesterday, just on those retests of those areas. Meta, yeah, you're right. Meta looks okay. Microsoft looks okay. So what are they selling? Palantir's getting crushed down. Well, I shouldn't say crushed, but it's down $2-3. Let's take a look at the breath.
Yeah, I mean, Meta's holding up. Googly doogly just broke previous day low. About to back test previous month high right now on SPY.
Very weak here. Very, very weak. We didn't even hold that. Okay. Where are we going? We're gonna fill this to red. And then what? Or did we just fill it to red? No, we didn't. We didn't hit it.
Yeah, breath. Okay, so breath, I just had to log into toss. I wasn't in there yet. So far, minus 229 in a up tape to start, which is interesting. So negative 229 on the advanced decline. Everything is down from the open. So all sectors from the opening prints, including technology, are down. The only they're down off the open, I should say, but I mean tech is still positive, industrial is positive, financials basic at the flat line, communications down, materials, consumer discretionary, healthcare, utilities, and staples, kind of your weak ones, and also regional banks slightly down as well.
They're gonna try to get a bounce here, maybe. They're trying to wick it.
Yeah, I have got a little
snacked.
support here. But
Yeah, NYSE breath is 1.87 to 1 negative. NASDAQ breath is 1.3 to 1 positive. So you got a little divergence between the indexes.
Whoopsies.
Want to sell an iron condor, but I'm going to wait a little bit here. Yeah, VIX, they ran the VIX up to the highs, and then they backed it off slightly here.
Maybe get a bounce to 49 or 55 here on NQ.
Nice bounce right there on SPY. Volume put into control in previous month high retest. Entering into the support area. I think Q's almost hit the green zone, like almost to the penny. Occasional full port brown magic took SPX calls right down there at the lows. Let's go. Also, the name, love it.
Yeah, what was that? Can you say it again?
Occasional full port brown magic.
Interesting.
Let's go.
Interesting name, sir.
Love the name.
Astounding. Well, I was gonna look at short there. It didn't get exactly where I wanted to.
We pop back up closer to here. I'll look to short the pop.
Meta going for new high a day.
I was gonna say it looks like a flag on the 5-minute is trying to go.
Yeah. ASTS is right near new high a day.
Apple back underneath 260 this morning, and it lost previous day low. Adobe got clapped out of the gate. Affirm up 4%. Holy DraftKings. It cannot break that previous month high. Back down to 33. REN is above previous day high briefly, up 5%. Ooh, Walmart. It looked like a good short yesterday when it came back underneath 120, and it hit just 118 this morning. Not looking too hot.
Okay, we're bounced up now. Yeah, we could possibly. Let's see if we get to 762 here. Watch this. If we get above this,
There you go.
86.
Occasional full port brown magic. Oh, did you really full port because your daily P&L is up 27%?
Damn.
He said, "Yeah, buddy."
Damn.
Let's go. Nice job, dude. Full port Fridays. That was a great spot for it. Yeah, see if maybe we get back test short and then hourly squeezes downside. We take out previous day low and this area of support down here. I'd be looking to short this pop up here, honestly.
Ooh, look at Oklo now. Well, my put spreads in Oklo are clean. It's up $5 here.
Nice.
Damn, I actually should have grabbed that for a long again today. I mean, yesterday. Shit. Now that I look at it.
I just got an alert saying that the stock is up over 5% today.
Yeah. If we break out over the 760s here, I want to short around 785, or at least want to try maybe. And I'm just waiting though. I'm not pushing anything until we get there. IWM new high a day. Meta ripping new high a day. Microsoft looking to do the same. Meta coming to that 629 target.
Walmart not looking hot. Is that a morning star on AMD 5-minute? Let's see. AMD 5-minute does indeed look like a morning star. You got a similar one kind of forming right now on the Spoozy Woozies. IWM, new high a day.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, she's cooking. She's a cooking. Whoa. What happened there, Casey?
What?
Huh?
What happened?
Oh, I heard one of your kids screaming.
One of my kids?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I didn't
Unless
even
that
hear
was
him.
Will, maybe. Might have been Will then.
No, it wasn't me. It wasn't me.
Oh, that was 100% you, Casey, because it ain't me.
Okay, I was gonna say I didn't even hear my own kids scream.
You got utilities, materials, staples, healthcare, consumer discretionary, and communication services all to the downside. Real estate, energy, financials, tech, and industrials are the green sectors currently. So a little bit of mixed picture. The lighter weighted sectors are to the downside, but probably your three, your biggest, and I mean, outside of healthcare, but industrials, tech, and financials are going to be a helper. So could be just more choppy stuff inside of this current range. Breast still negative 164. It's off the lows on the advanced decline line for the S&P 500. Nicey Breath is negative 1.4 to 1. NASDAQ's 1.84 to 1 positive. And so far, cumulative ticks since the open are down 1,700. So a little selling pressure, but they are off the lows. So looks like Google trying to find some footing.
I did just hear Everly scream, so I did hear that child.
Yeah, Google
Nice
trying
job.
to find some footing, and as well as Microsoft a little here. Nvidia's kind of nowhere. Amazon just kind of going sideways, and then Apple kind of back at the lows under 257. So 256. Yeah, Apple breaks this, it's probably going to be a little bit more difficult.
Nice job, Stone Saw, on the Tesla. 445's $900 profit and done for the day.
Bring Maple up, Casey.
Maple!
Netflix now under 88 as well.
Ooh.
Getting closer.
Yo, good morning, guys.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hold on, guys. Here, I have control over the cameras. I can turn on Maple's camera right now, and we can
Ooh.
finally
Here we go.
finally see
You guys
his
ready?
beautiful face. Oh.
Do it. Do it.
See if this back test right here is a short.
Yup. Yeah, I'm short from 68, and I took a ladder at 30. So
I like
want to
it.
see if we can see pre-market low, bill breaker 700. Long gold from 12.8, looking for pre-market high, but I think maybe we need one more 3-minute EMA pullback.
Break under 620 or 725 here. We drop to the 700s. Oh,
Palantir getting smacked below 174 or 173.50 in Palantir, just straight down off the open. It was 182, down almost $10. Yeah, NQ, here
there
we go. Right
Bill
at the
breaker
lows
coming
there.
up. Let's see it. I covered half there of the ladder, 15 points.
The Billy.
So they
Yeah,
look-
Tesla also softening up here. 440.5. ES futures right back to the flat line. Silver down 3% also. I did catch a little overnight short in that. Covered it at 89.70. Caught about $1 in there.
Silver.
That's a big contract, by the way.
Silver is wild.
We did get a little data on the NAHB housing market index that came in about 15 minutes ago. It was at 37. They were looking for a forecast of 40, so a little bit weaker on some of the housing report. I'm going to pull that report up.
Look at this puppy. Look at this puppy.
Yeah, Honeywell.
Honeywell, man. Oh my gosh.
Oh, she ain't doing well.
She's doing very well.
No, she is.
Holy. That's a nice chart.
Mm-hmm.
NVIDIA showing weakness here or below. If it fails or below, pre-market low 188. Bring NQ down with it.
Yeah, next level I'd look at is yesterday's low at 679 or 680 on NQ. Was that yesterday? Yeah, that was yesterday. 680 on NQ. I do
Microsoft trying to get something going here off these lows.
Yeah, Microsoft has been, and again, Meta has been holding up too, and AMD. But yes, Microsoft has been trying to hold up there. I still want it to go down to that level we talked about, around the 448.
Yeah, I agree. You got some relative strength there, and then Meta as well. Oh, that's 626. Although I think was there a gap on Meta at like 629? Is that right?
Ooh, there's a new low on NQ.
Oh.
Give me that Billy.
Billy.
I think this weekly candle in the markets is really going to be an interesting one.
High risk here. Gold long for a ladder, adding to a winner here on another account. 3-minute EMA risk, looking for pre-market high, then previous day high, 25, then 30.
NVIDIA coming down here. Q's definitely weaker than SPY.
Apple looks like on the daily, like this bear flag's going to break, and we're going right to 250, or at least the gap fill, which is 253. I mean, look at that daily. This candle, if we start to really break away from this 257 area, if you go to like the hourly, you're breaking trend right now. So you had a trend line that was loosely
Bill broken,
there.
31-point gain. MNQ covered a quarter on the ladder.
Yeah.
That's 68 points on the initial position.
Let's go.
Sell it down. QQQ. Apparently there's reports that X is down. There you go.
Let's see previous day low here, 680.75.
There you go. There you go.
Yes,
Yeah.
What's up, Joe?
I'm looking for that low there.
Let's go.
Rivian
Scale
below
and trail,
17.
guys. For the
it is.
listeners, if you're short, I mean, if you're thinking short down here, don't. Okay,
No.
you're way too late for this.
I tried a mini long here at that 78 I got. Just a little scout. Very small size. Very, very small. I have a stop at 65.
Dump it.
I'm probably going to get stopped out on, but
Well, you got.
I'm already at
support
the lob,
here
so
on Qs.
I'm going to do a little shot here. So if we get a pop off that level.
100-point gain MNQ on the initial position on flat.
Let's go.
Stopped.
Love it, Maple.
Great trade. Breath.
Okay, there we
At
go.
least the advanced decline line is off the lows, still minus 120. Nicey breast still negative 1.3 to 1. It's slightly off the opening lows, but I like, early on when it opens up, the internals can be a little bit mixed or skewed in one direction. So I like to see the first hour as we come into the first hour of trade. But cumulative tick, still below the zero line. Cumulative tick right now, minus 1976.
That's the year my grandpappy was born.
1976.
I'm gonna take another ladder here. MNQ short, 10-minute green candle.
Yeah.
Risky because previous day low. Later entries means quicker profit taking though.
I'm closing my longs here for like 8 points. I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna let it go. They may want to test 700. They may want to just drop it down. I'll take a little 8-point scalp. I'm up a lot today so far, so I don't want to go too crazy.
Shawty, get down, good lord. See if they can crack this low.
Next level I got is 616. If we get down there, I'm starting a put spread.
For Qs?
Mm-hmm.
616, you think today?
No, NQ. Sorry.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I forgot that Q's is like right there.
I was about to say,
there's
damn.
There's that 700. If
Nah.
you held that little long there.
Knots wants Qs to die.
Yeah. This close for me on the weekly candle is going to be really important this week, in my opinion. I know we got earnings coming up, but
I see that, A-Rod. This is for Will. Your now chart.
yes.
So
Yep.
somebody just bought 132 calls for February 20th. They bought 1,230 contracts at 578 for $712,000 just now.
Woo.
It's the largest order on now today on the flow.
Come on, drop it down.
It's definitely holding that low right now. We've had about since the open right around that 128. It hit the low. It's up about $1. So, I like it. I mean, it's been down. That thing's been crushed. So it's another AI play, but that's I think it's a good risk reward down here at that level.
Dang, I sold freaking top on Tesla. I should have flipped it short after I sold the calls at 446, 447. Nice bounce right there, Knots.
Mm-hmm. Well, I sold it for only like 8 or 9 points.
It was a great spot right there on Qs for the long. They're at the support.
Microsoft over 460 now. Rivian below 17.
Okay. I started a short here at 719.
Now he's shortened the back test.
Let's see if that works out.
Might be a divergent.
Flat all MNQ. Took a tag on that most recent ladder, but green across the rest.
Yeah, breast slowly. NASDAQ breast coming in a little bit, and Nicey breast getting closer to parity. Yeah, you got Microsoft a little bit better. Google still kind of weak. I think your other weakest one here is Apple. Right on that 257. It's trying to hold this small trend line on the hourly, but if we don't do that, I think that opens a trap door for Apple to at least 255.70 or 255.42. Then ultimately, I think that the trade in Apple on a longer time frame is going to be against that trend line.
What's up,
that
boys?
Talking about.
Big
250.
Yo,
What's up,
what's
baby?
up, bro?
What's up?
Ooh. There it is.
Oh, wow.
There's that short. Come on. Come on. Work. Work from
We're
me.
short gold for a quick scalp here, looking for pre-market low
Work
range
from
to
me.
86.
Give it another five minutes or so. You get that IB. We should sweep that low, and we'll probably hit 650 on NQ. That's my thoughts.
I want 616. I want 616. Okay, there we go.
Come down.
20% on the QQQ puts.
You
Yeah,
want
there we go.
death.
Nice,
There we
not.
go.
Up
Took a
34%
short
on the
there.
QQQ
Damn.
puts.
Dang,
Got
what a
about
sniper
30
shot.
points, 35 points.
Dang. Let's go nuts.
Tesla getting rugged too here. Pretty ugly candle.
Oh,
I think once Nvidia and Tesla started to turn around after that pop, that was kind of a good little turning point to bring Qs back down. Because the only things that were looking decent was Meta and Microsoft still trying to hold up, but holy
Say hi to Jordan.
Gold, 5-point gain, covered half.
there we go. Up 60% here on those puts. And up
650s.
40 plus points on the
650s.
short. Where are you guys
Plenty
at?
of things.
Tennessee.
It's my favorite place.
You're the only 10 I see.
You're the only 10 I see.
Where you at? Chattanooga?
Gatlinburg.
Gatlinburg.
Oh, man.
Ooh,
Enjoy it. Enjoy it.
Sierraville or whatever it is.
My family was just there 2 weeks ago, hanging out in the mountains in a cabin.
Okay, I got 50% in a few minutes there. I'm all out.
So I'd imagine that Jordan found another flight after he missed the first one.
Yeah, Jordan might be the luckiest kid on earth. There was another flight to the same city like 45 minutes later.
Oh, really?
How does that even happen? To a little tiny airport in Knoxville.
What's APP doing? Breaking it down? Oh yeah.
Man, some of these like getting a bounce back up.
King Faces got married there. Let's go.
This advanced decline line still firming slightly off these lows, only negative 79. Cumulative ticks still down at negative 1880. So ticks are still weak. Not super bearish, just more towards the flat line. But the breath has slowly come off the lows.
Yeah, I'm all out of my shorts.
Now he's just wearing boxes.
10-point gain gold, covered a quarter.
No, now I'm just naked.
Drop
I like naked shorts.
Drop the camera. Holy gold. Look at GLD.
Is it ripping or what's it doing?
No, it's dumping.
The opposite.
Intraday.
Whoa, yeah, gold. Whoa, just got rugged.
Yeah.
Let's go,
That's-
baby. Next level I got on gold is set
Trump moving away from Kevin
576.5 to
Hassett.
daily low.
Might be like they're rugging gold. Silver
He-
could be
he just-
next.
There's a Trump saying that he's not going to go after Kevin Hassett. He's moving away from that thought for the Fed chair.
Yeah. Said Hassett was good on TV, and I may want to keep the NEC director where he is.
Silver down $5, getting also rugged down 5%. I was short it last time. I'm not happy. I'm still not short it.
Gold.
I mean, this is just another day. Tesla wicked up above the 50 and hit the 21 and then just got smashed. Smashed again.
Here we go, Q's. Take it out.
I'll be back in like 10 minutes.
Is Frankie, are you short this? We should sweep this low. IV low. It's going to break right here.
Yeah, I got
Not-
runners
not
here
to the-
still.
Yeah, Knott's had a perfect entry. I got short when I was in the shower earlier. When Jordan
great
sent
one.
all that text, I was getting short.
Oh, we're gonna crack this freaking low.
Come on, give me 650s.
I'll say it. Grab some FAFO QQQ puts.
All right, there's IB low broken. ES should take it here. 650. Give me 650. Oh, don't edge me.
Don't age them. Put 20 and 21.
I think this goes back to 6,900.
X is down for a lot of people, by the way.
We grab some FAFO QQQ puts. Next week, 615s. We continue
this is
to
starting to look heavy.
close underneath his previous day low. SPY, I mean, we're sitting there of support, but I mean things are not looking good. Q's definitely weaker. See if we can get this full gap fill potential down to 619 today.
Yeah, SPX gap fill down at looks 628. Yep.
30-point gain
627.
gold. Sold it or
Good
covered down to
call.
the runners.
I'm gonna say gold is still drilling.
By 690.
Ooh, IndieX has another
This could
35,
trend. Holy
40
shit,
points.
we could have a trend down there.
Yeah, we could.
Look at GLD, Maple. Oh my god.
What a dump, dude.
They're
Man.
rugging silver too. God, I was short. I should have stayed short. I knew it. Said it last night.
Oh.
I'm short gold. Short gold from 84.
Let's go, Will.
Previous month high testing right now on GLD.
Guys, we got some chimichanga money for the weekend. It's looking good.
Yeah, 2-year yields are up quite aggressively on that news as well. These yields keep floating higher. The yield curve continues to kind of flatten out even more. You got the front end actually continuing to rise. I mean, 2 years almost close to 460. It's 350. I'm sorry, 360, 359 now on the 2 year. So the 2 year yield is up quite a bit. I mean, the lows were down at 343. We're up almost 15 basis points from the lows at the beginning of the year.
I think Trump realizes he needs somebody in the Fed that is trusted by the street. Actually,
Yeah.
market doesn't care though right now. Oof.
No, because if I think on NDX now, I mean, if this gets weaker through the day and we start running close to that 50. I mean, if this thing starts to trend lower, like next week we start to get some expansion of range to the downside.
Come on, Q's, bring it down.
Come on, puke it.
Go fill the gap today. Might as
Where's
well.
gold gonna stop, dude? I keep having to zoom out on my chart.
Look at IWM, that evening star off the high. Starting to bring
Oh my
it in
god,
just a
look
little
at
bit.
gold. Oh my god, gold is
They're
getting
just-
fucking hammered.
Yeah,
Silver.
I'm still short it.
Oh my god.
Still short
I'm
from 84.
50 something points on gold is crazy.
Yeah,
Ah.
I'm in a GC contract. I got 2 on.
Boom, there's 650. I just covered
There we
almost
go.
everything, leaving a couple runners to get to 636, the gap fill from yesterday.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna take a trim here on the QQQ puts.
637. I do have a pretty stiff level here, though.
I mean, I have support down here on SPY. I don't know. I still want to see the gap fill from Thursday
Yeah,
session.
You're in the SPX gap. It should go.
Yeah.
I talked about that short on Caterpillar yesterday against that trend line. It's now down about 10, 11 bucks off that high.
Microsoft's still trying to hold up over there.
Come on, sweep
Ain't
the
gonna be
leg.
enough.
Pull the
Sweep the
keeper.
leg.
Pull the
Oracle
keeper.
coming back
Empty
down
net.
to the lows. Yay.
I think this could end up just be a trending day lower.
All right, here we go. Qs. Come on, just no bouncy. I mean, technically this is bouncy spot. I just don't want to see bouncy. VIX is ripping.
Yeah, you got yields moving higher and market moving lower.
Dude, go Jordan. Oh, there it is. Full gap.
There
So
it is.
I'm
There
out.
it is.
It's
Oh,
$1,000 from
good job,
Gatlinburg.
guys.
bang. Bang.
Is Knots on here? Where's that?
All right, stop moved up.
Dude, I don't think this is fair. Like, we're making money everywhere.
Let's go.
You guys shorting NQ. I'm shorting gold. It's just money flowing from the skies on OPEX today.
Yeah, we like that gold short. Let's get a little bit lower. Come on, gold. Another 100 points. I think gold, we get a move back up. Maybe, I think you could probably reshort it.
All right. Stop moved up on these QQQs.
Oh, what a day.
There, look at that level on SPY. It just freaking hit. If this gives out here, I think we're gonna fill cap. That's the bottom of the chart. I sent it out pre-market. That was the bottom of the chart. We just hit that level to the freaking penny.
So you
Right there.
probably
Look
get some
at
short-
your hourly.
Yeah, you probably get some short covering here. SPX did not quite fill the gap all the way yet, so but I do have a level drawn there for some reason at 30,
Yo.
930. I think it was a previous. Oh, it's a yeah.
Yo.
So I think
So
you're
now-
basically full target. You let it sweep the lows. NFP low, if paper was around, he would be saying it's still another 20 points down on ES.
Yeah.
NDX.
there's
Ooh,
gap.
NDX is 30 points
There's
lower.
a reshort on gold right there against the 9 on the 1 minute.
So there's your hourly support here on SPY. It accepts underneath that. Here's gap fill, this gray box right here. Q's gap fill, I still want to see 619.
Amp, look at Rivian. Or don't
Hey,
look.
don't tell me about Rivian, dude.
It's under 17.
Dude, I would be up so much if I would have held this stupid Rivian puts. Piece of shit fucking company. Where's Knots?
Yep.
I blame Knots.
Bring it down, Shotty.
I've been selling calls in Tesla for the last 4 months. And it's been so good.
I've been doing it on TSL.
I just keep going to the 21 DTs, and I've been selling like the 650 calls on Tesla, and the stock's done nothing. Just keep printing. It is aggressive. I'm selling them naked, so it's a little nerve wracking.
It's 10:40 on a Friday in Gatlinburg, Sevierville, whatever we're at, Tennessee. Trump may put tariffs on countries that have to do with Greenland, trying to get Greenland. Trump's going to put tariffs on them. Headline, watch out.
We're
That's going to
dumping
rug it.
about.
They
I
don't
know
go along.
we're about to hit full gap. I'm about to exit out the rest of these QQQ puts. So about $45 per contract gain here.
Open up the rug flow.
I got to get him up.
Yeah, Trump just said he's going to tariff countries over Greenland.
Well, that's crazy. Crazy.
What a
Let's go.
He's out of his mind. Oh my god.
Yeah, let's just rug this thing right to 6,800. Come on.
Oh, nice shot. Was that like freaking 300-400%? Let's go. Here we go. Come on.
Man, they're just killing the 2-year right now.
Gold ladder short, 10-minute green.
Here we
You
go.
got yields. You got yields moving up quite a bit here.
And close enough for government work. Trimming cues.
So he's talking to himself in third person. Tariff king.
Yeah, I love when he talks to himself in third person.
There's the gap fill in SPX.
Yeah, QQQ a few pennies away. Yeah, there we go.
Right here's NFP. This is NFP on QQQ.
5-point gain, gold ladder, covered half.
SPY still has more room down if it wants to fill its gap, but let's see.
SPY filled the gap too, but
The one from Thursday overnight session?
yes, sir.
I still have it as open.
No, it's open to close.
Oh, yeah. I have with extended hours on, I still have the overnight session from Wednesday to Thursday.
Let me see what do I have. I got regular session from Wednesday's close.
I have Wednesday after hours session to Thursday pre-market session. The gap up overnight within the session on TradingView.
Yeah. What's going on? I have TradingView up too.
The high of
showed
that
it
spike.
filled at 690.45.
Mine has 689.52.
So proud of herself.
I am so proud of President Trump
Everything.
for all the things that I've done. Some of the best, that's what they're saying. Here, and look, beautiful Gatlinburg, Tennessee. They love me here. They voted for me.
Oh man, it's too funny.
Oracle new low of day briefly. QQQ gap fill. Full target hit.
Dude, they're ripping these 2-year yields up. 2-year bond just getting smoked.
I think you're gonna get a bounce here because you hit NFP and you filled all those gaps. Should get full covering.
I think if we get a bounce, I think it's a reshort up higher.
Yeah, well,
I still
market's trying to react
think
to
SPY
Hassett.
comes down to the bottom of this zone here, so I'd still look for a short to pop if we back test this area right up here. that we broke the support.
That's all I do too.
Amazon right at the 21 period on the daily. Netflix is now below 88. Google below 330. Google does have the 9 EMA at 328.40.
No, these are
But the other thing too, you got the NDX starting to break this trend line now, and you're below the 21. I would not rule out the 50-day on NDX. It's about 140 points lower from here.
Flat all gold, green trades.
Okay, they're trying to give it a little bounce.
Bounce it. Bounce it.
Yeah, at these higher rates too, if the Russell bounces, I think that's you could probably short that one too. Because if these rates keep creeping up, it's going to hurt the small caps. Keep an eye on those.
Oracle previous week low is 186.15. I would like to see that get taken out and start getting the next move down. I'll trim out more of these puts. They are at $307 from $255 for the puts that we took yesterday on the stream for the swing. So see if we can get the move down there next.
I don't think we're done going down yet, but we're getting there.
No, I
think this could end up be trending day if these internals continue to get weaker.
Right there. I want to see this.
We haven't had a green
fill.
15-minute candle. We should get a bounce, and then maybe reshort.
Yeah,
but you're overextended right here badly.
Yeah, I want to see 545 on NQ. Hell, KC didn't mean it before, but we may see 616 on the Kings. We're already down over $2 since I said it.
Yeah, I mean maybe.
But yeah, it didn't mean it for Qs though. But hey, it may happen for it.
All right, bounce this thing. Bounce it.
Bounce it.
I didn't take any futures. I lost on spreads too.
No, Jordy, no. Tell Jordy I did not want to hear that.
Rivian, I got a bone to pick with you.
Yeah, that you missed it short.
Oh, also, Austin Wynn told me to tell you that you're lazy.
Lazy?
Yeah.
Whoa.
I'll go find him in a minute.
Yeah, bring him on. I got some words for him.
We get tariff tantrum 2.0.
Okay.
Here's your bounce.
Yep. We should get to 640s at least, 644. If they go crazy, 670.
Did you say 6, 7?
6, 7. $6. Yeah, I might have.
Oh.
Tesla not looking good. 435.40.
Nvidia is still near the lows. I think it has some more room down. We can bounce back up on SPY. It's a 691.70 area. Back test, reject that. I think that can be a good re-short spot for a lower high. Q's closer to like 620.70.
Yeah, if we get up there, I think I'm going to do a little risk reversal. I might sell some call spreads and buy some put spreads. Try to do it for zero debit.
Hmm.
I like that trade for zero DT. Because
All
if
right,
we end up
just
flushing,
just got to trim on this bounce play.
Nice.
yeah, maybe
Get
like
back to 650 previous day's low back test probably where you're looking for if it can do that. SPY is about to already reject, so I'm already locking it in.
I'd like to get us a little higher. I don't know if you're even going to get it.
You should at least get back into like the 5-minute 9. Jeez.
Yeah, they got the 640 that I was talking about, but I was looking for a little higher.
5-minute 9 just got tagged on SPY. 691.40.
I know. Hughes is not even close.
Right. Yeah, you really
Hell on spreads.
you have the 200 period on the hourly on Qs is right here at 119.86. The last few days has had really goofy price action. But we could really never claim. I mean, we just rejected that 629 in Qs again yesterday. So I'm not even sure we get a bounce. I might just go in there now and do it. Sell the 693s, buy the 690, 687s. It's a call spread. I mean, NVIDIA doesn't look terrible. It's not doing much. I mean, it's off the highs, but you've kind of filled that 187 area up, but fix it highs.
Yes, can you guys hear me now?
Yes, sir. Gotcha.
All right. All right, everyone. I'm here with Ace the Kid. Ace the Kid, you took some spreads this morning. What happened?
Yeah, I lost $1,000, so we'll quit this morning.
No.
But it is what it is. I didn't take any futures trades though, so we're safe there. I got right.
All right.
Yeah. Dude, look at knots. I bet those caps are just popping.
Dude, he's doing calf workouts right now.
Popping. That's where he went. Actually, he went to do some calf raises.
Yeah. That's why I left the screen.
I think he does calf raises under his desk all day. Just
Damn right.
What is this mic?
Bro, I don't. Yeah, this one too.
Oh, there you go.
By the way, Rocket Lab, new high day.
That one too. We got the mics. Oh, that's ghetto.
All right. 45-point gain on the bounce play here. I Here, I've got Jordan here to verify with me.
Yeah, I was gonna say I heard order filled. Oh yeah, you're
I'm up.
cooking.
Oh.
You're about
There
to
you
be up a
go.
lot more.
There you
You're about to be
go.
up a lot more.
Ah.
Here
he
it
wants
comes.
1,400 on the day. Oh, he wants 1,600.
Just sniping off the yellow levels here.
Long gold here for a fake out breakout. Looking for pre-market low 586.
Nice. Nice.
Who is sniper?
Nice.
Sniper. Someone said, "Did you forget your lucky chopsticks, Jordan?" That's why.
Jordan, did you bring the chopsticks?
I didn't bring my chopsticks. But
Oh no!
I forgot them.
That was a good decision by Jordan.
I thought he would have traveled with them.
I forgot them.
He's not a real chopstick guy. He doesn't travel.
Had his whole carrying case and everything
See
with
how
him.
you chopstick people are fake? Just a bunch of fake chopstick users. You don't even travel with your
Bruh,
chopsticks.
no.
Fake.
Don't even travel with them.
Where are we at right now?
Sitting on 650. I'm still holding this mic here like it's actually turned on. So it's not plugged in.
It's just for the aesthetic.
Yeah, it's just for the look.
It's just for the KC Trades crew only. Jordan, will you be getting in a hot tub today?
Oh yes, absolutely, and sauna.
You should see how much snow we got in Chicago overnight. It's so cold here.
Damn.
Snow shows up here.
I'm out.
Leaving.
I'm out.
What's the temperature there right now?
Like 20.
Fucking last night was 20 something. What is it right now?
Oh no!
Yeah, dude, I'm not built for this.
Dude, Jordan landed in Atlanta. It's 32 here right now. It's freezing.
He told me his bones were cold.
Jordan landed yesterday in Atlanta, and he said, "Why is this side of the country so cold?"
Wait, where are you guys again?
Tennessee.
In, like, Gatlinburg, Tennessee.
Why do you think I'm always wearing my blanket on stream?
Yeah, bro.
What are you guys doing there?
Cold.
Just vibing, you know.
Nothing to worry about it. Jeez.
Okay.
So if you go to your NDX chart and you have enough feed drawn on there, we bounce exactly off of that. I
Filled.
heard another order filled here.
Yeah. Oh, my boy's cooking today.
70-point gain.
Damn. I wish I was up that much today.
Oh, we got Frankie back. There we go.
Sorry, guys. I was calling out. I was long at the figure. I scaled them out. I got short at 65 and covered them all at 52. And now we are at 68. I'm going to wait it out here. See if we can get to the 21.
21.
EMA. I don't know. Maybe that's it. If we're going to trend, it's not going to be. We got.
First touch of that 21 is probably the short.
You know, on a
Ivy-
day like
Ivy
this,
low,
though, the day
710.
OPEX, does OPEX usually trend?
It's usually back and forth like whippy.
Right, exactly.
Rivian covered calls expiring today should be 100%. The Oscars for next week are 75. The PayPal's expiring today will be 100% as well with the Rivians. I'm just getting paid right now on these longs.
Mm-hmm. Great long.
Run it back to IB low.
Running back, Turbo.
Put it back, Turbo. Yeah, that 690.72 area from Wednesday session. I mean, that was beautiful spot right there for SPY. Q's was right at the gap fill. Both great spots to look for these longs.
Oh my mama.
Bermuda, Bahamas, come on, pretty mama.
What's this thing called?
Mita bringing it back in a little bit. China names pulling back.
Heads Bowman making a ton of comments right now.
Yeah, Baba down,
The
PDD
market
down.
closed. I don't think people will be taking up positions over the weekend.
I think it'd be hard to go long over the weekend.
Yeah.
I still, I mean, there's a great spot for it, but I don't think that could be a low day. Honestly, I think we could see another move down. Q's previous week low, 616.72. SPY to come down to the bottom of the zone, be 689.50. And this would be the spot to look to go back short, is right here.
I'm gonna have to get off here soon because we're gonna go ride four-wheelers.
Let's go. You wanna grab this short right here?
IB low probably better. I see the 21.
Yo, wear a helmet. We need you guys back.
Dude, if they make me wear a
Put
helmet,
the
I'm
helmet
leaving.
on.
Yo, wear a helmet. We need you guys back.
For Diego. Bring it down, bring it down. Reject, reject.
Yep.
Hughes looks like it could go up higher, but that's a short spot on SPY.
Yeah. Rejecting the 3-minute 21 there at 683. Got a wick over.
Come on, push it back lower. They're gonna milk. They'll probably sit it here and milk all the premium out of here.
10-point gain, gold.
If I could, can you get juice on SPX premiums right now to do a condor?
Yeah, some of it you got to do it when it's going down though. As volatility expands, that's when you want to put them on.
Yeah.
And then when you get the bounce, they come in a lot faster when the VIX comes in. So like on the move lower, you kind of got to pick your spot. That's when you want to put it on. Because now, if you look at the VIX, VIX has come off that 1620 area, so they nuked a lot of the premiums out of there.
Ooh, spreads are wild right now. I usually Hold on. I'm on the AM contracts. There we go. So that's why. Toggle
Yeah,
this thing over.
I put one on. I'm in the 68 70s 5s. I got on that move lower towards 30. I put them on there. They've come in a little bit. And then I sold the 69 75s as well. So I'm a little tighter on the call side, but a lot of that juice. I'm a little wider on the bottom too. I did 30 wide on the bottom, 20 wide on the top. So it's slightly skewed.
All right, boys and girls.
Yo, much love it.
Catch you later.
Cheers, brother.
Y'all have a great day. $2,500 from Gatlinburg this morning. Good day.
Let's go.
So
Expecting big things, and
This place is pretty cool, by the way. I railed everyone at ping pong last night too. 6-0, didn't take a loss. I just want you to know that.
shit. That's fun.
Nah,
IWM is moving back up.
It's like bright as shit out here.
There you go. Yeah, now it's adjusting. Nice.
Yeah, let me get my face out of the way. There's like cabins everywhere out here, dude.
Heck yeah,
Little
dude.
snow.
Looks great out there.
We have
Such a
an
great
indoor
spot. I
pool
stayed
for
down
some
there a
reason.
couple years ago.
Good scene for a horror movie tonight.
And you gotta find. There's a place nearby that has the roller coaster that goes through the forest.
Oh, dude, yeah. What's it, Dolly World or something?
Oh man, because my
Like,
family was
beside
just
Dolly
there.
World, I think.
Yeah. Let me see.
Gold pre-market low broken. Beautiful fake out breakout sweep.
There, guys. Girls, I'm out.
I'll
It's
catch you
called.
later.
It's
Have a
called.
great
Hey,
day.
Amp. It's called Moonshine Mountain Coaster.
Moonshine Mountain Coaster. That sounds good.
Yeah. So look that up. It also lights up at night if you want to go through the woods on a roller coaster at night.
All right.
Later.
Later.
Wonder if we should reject here or not, or we just hang out.
All right, 20-point gain. Gold sold a quarter.
They're trying to bid them back up here a little bit. Qs are definitely on the weaker side.
Q's back testing that spot where we closed at yesterday. Just again right here.
Tesla is testing the 9 on the 5-minute right now, 37. Watch that. Apple continues to look very weak. 256.40 now on Apple, curling back to the downside. Google trying to find a little base, as well as Amazon off the lows. Kind of back into this range. Maybe there'll be no follow through. They might just hang out for the day. Seems to be more.
Look at DraftKings. Previous month low right here.
DraftKings would get like a 40, 50 cent pop there. Good night, guys.
Dude, lower the chair and just like slowly fade away.
Yeah.
This is as low as I can go.
They just absolutely crushed the VIX.
Yeah, I know they did.
They crushed all the premium that was in there. They had them going and they juiced them, and then
I feel like if I go back anymore, I'm gonna flip backwards. Then all of a sudden you just
how the market makes us.
yeah, they took them back positive.
Anybody want to buy DraftKings down here at previous month low for a little day trade?
Oh yeah, no, I just said I think it gets a popcorn. 40, 50 cents.
Yeah, next week calls. Let's see. 33s. I mean, they're $80.
I think your next short in ES, if you want to try it, could be let's see. Maybe against like 89, 89.50.
Look at that failed breakout. Right on previous month low. Like there.
Yeah, if we get there, I might try that 89.50 as a short. It's about, what is that, 5 points more? I don't know if we get there, but that'd be a good spot that I would try it for scalp trade.
I'm gonna grab some of these DraftKings for a day trade.
See if we can get it up there.
Ooh, I wanna take you.
Q's definitely a lot weaker though.
IWM's still looking somewhat decent overall.
I mean, we took out yesterday's low and then we're just right back to it on Q's. So we blasted through the 21 and then now you're getting some responsive buyers. Basically holding that low of yesterday.
That's where we wanna go. All right. That's the spot on the spoozy woozies. It's either reclaim or reject and come right back. What if that was it for the day? They gave the downside, bounce it, and now we just ping pong just right in here just all day.
Yeah, do we just sit is the question?
That was our first time getting to the 5-minute 21 all day.
We just sit between 6,900 and for a little bit. Maybe we'll just sit around here. I don't know.
Let's check the flow. Palantir flow coming in a little bit.
We also rejected the red to green move there. We did go green for a second again and rejected it.
I mean, we're just trying to hold this trend line. They're doing everything they can to do it on the Qs. But if this break, basically, they need to hold today. They need to hold like 622. Gotta hold 622.10, which is the 9 EMA on the Qs. Gotta hold that level. Man, rates are just screaming higher too. 30-year up a couple, but the 2-year, man. Yeah, rates across the curve, higher levels.
That's where we want to go. So what your strongest sector is? What, XLI? And then real estate. Weakest. XLB. Tessie bounced at 435, curling back up. It's got an alert on serve. SCRV.
I might do a condor.
That's what I was looking. I just couldn't find one that had like decent enough premium. NDX would probably be able to get premium and being safe going farther out.
All right, trail stop hidden profit there, about 18 points, 17 points on gold.
I wouldn't mind selling some premium right here. The only issue is we could see 6,900 on the back half of the day, and that's the ones that I would sell. And that's the farthest I can go out to get any kind of decent premium. I'm not sure I want to push my luck.
Yeah.
On Friday.
Maybe if you do the 6,900s or something like that, I would just try to take profits early, like 30-40% profit target on that credit.
Don't yeah, 100%.
Let it chop through lunch, get some premium, and then get out of it.
Yep. Tessie looking good. Iowa and Q.
I did think we'd get a little more follow through there, but the fact that we didn't tells you maybe we're just going to chop back to these levels. Maybe sit around this 40 area. Because they just bought everything down there, really. They're going to try and hold the 9 in the trend line, I think, in the Qs.
Tessie's putting in a 30-minute reversal right now.
Yeah.
Doesn't look too shabby. SMCI urgent repeated flow on $30 puts. SMCI had a big ripper this morning.
Yeah. Meta, Microsoft trying to find some life down here. Apple continues to be the weaker of the bunch. And Google trying to get it back above 330. NVIDIA right at that 188 level. It's kind of got more of a mixed picture here. Buyers off the low stepped in and stopped it pretty quickly down there.
I did a condor.
There you go.
1 second.
You do NDX?
Yeah.
Tag that level. Yeah, Russell is IWM is basically back to the open. Opening prints and looking to move it higher. Just the rates, the higher rates didn't affect it very much. Yeah, gold reversed it all too. Gold bought all the way back up.
So I have 340 points to the upside of safety, and I have 400 points to the downside of safety. It is literally a 97% probability, like a 2.5 delta for both of my sold strikes.
That's what. How much premium did you collect on that?
I just got 70 cents on the Condor. It's nothing crazy, but I was going for something that would be pretty realistic.
It's far out of the money. The only problem is those things won't get into profit until the end of the day, only because the delta is so small. They won't come in at all.
Yeah, it won't really drain that much. Yes.
Palantir putting in a 30-minute hammer off previous week low.
I would need like a 200-point move one way or the other to really start to get risky. So let's see. IWM back up. Actually about to
make a new high day.
Yeah, 20 cents. Yep, Meta coming back. Microsoft is still near the highs. Hasn't really done anything.
I wanted to short 89 right against these lows on the ES. It's the short I was looking for. I didn't get filled. I had a short in there if it hit it on 89.5. And I don't think we hit that level. We got close. We hit 88.50. I wanted to see a little bit more. I wanted to see 89. But that was the we just hit the 9 on the hourly. That's what that was. Which was 88.50. Now reversing off it. No trade, missed the fill. That's okay.
All right. If you're looking for the short on Qs, if you think we're going to go back down to lows, it would be here. We break and reclaim this spot. We're just going back up into the zone, most likely to chop into the close before we see last 15-minute volatility to end the week for the long weekend.
Yeah.
Apple just back tested, rejected, about to make new lows.
Yeah, I mean, Apple about to go under 255, it looks like.
Dude, insane.
255.70, and then Tesla. Big rejection on the first hourly bar, and then now we're kind of curling back to that 439.
This Tesla 30-minute is looking good.
Yep, you had a nice little hammer down there. Bottom and tail hammer, and then you buy over the top. You get a couple bucks there. The 9 on the 30-minute will be at 439.44, and then what it is on the hourly is 439.56 on the hourly chart. So that's probably could take you up there for. It's probably where you'll reject.
You type that thing.
Yeah, sorry, I'm smacking.
Miggity
Hammer
smacking
the
them
keyboard.
keys, boy.
I'm smacking. Schmackety smack smack.
IWM looking good. SPY back above VWAP. Above EMAs. I mean, I think Q's definitely
Floats.
weaker, but it looks good to reclaim and hold up here.
Yeah, this is going to be the spot. If we hold here, we can float. I mean, you do have Tesla's gone positive, Microsoft is positive, Amazon negative, Google still kind of rejected the 9 there, and then the big names, Apple the weakest down here.
Mm-hmm.
AMD a little softer as well.
I'm probably done for the day now. All right, got a lot of trades in. Up really nice. Just got the spread for a little kicker, and that's probably it.
Tessie's gonna do the diddly do and go back to the chop zone. Hey, is that dude about to drop off my extra garbage can?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
What the hell is that? A screw just fell out of my desk. What the hell?
A screw just fell out of your desk.
Yeah, I gotta go. I screwed that back in.
You can just see his entire camera and everything just collapse. You just hear,
That
"Oh,
would be
shit."
pretty damn funny. I'm not gonna lie. I would definitely laugh. I would 100% laugh with you guys.
Hey, they dropped off my extra trash can. Appreciate you, buddy.
They want it all the way back up. Wow. I still think ES against that 90 level. If we get to like 90, you do got a bunch of overnight candles in that area, so we could reject and turn around, at least for a scalp, like right around 90. I don't know if we get it all the way there, but I'd like to. Push it, just
Hey,
jam it up there.
Your Palantir is looking good. It's retesting your lows from Wednesday right now, Bobby. But if it starts to push back above this area right here, this 30-minute reversal off that previous week low, that's looking really good.
I'm being patient. Fill it.
50%? Hell yeah.
Come on, push it. Push it up there.
Ooh, core weed, yeah, ripper.
Wonder if we get this bounce here and then get the late day flush or something.
Lower 102.78 is gap fill on the daily. Dude, I wonder if EMP stayed in the long.
Want to see what this candle does here, and I may attempt to ES short here. We'll see. I like it against these lows, these overnight lows. I just want to see get some wicks here, and then maybe try it for a little. Yeah, they V bottomed it right at 9:45.
There goes Tessie with the continuation a little bit. Very nice.
Yeah, Microsoft looking got a strong candle here on Microsoft.
Microsoft's been in a 5-minute squeeze for a minute. Relative strength.
I'd like to see. Let's see what ES does here. I put a couple limits that got filled at 90.5. So
There goes IWM. It's cents away.
Cents away.
Okay, time to go under my desk. I'll be right back.
Don't crash it.
Do you hear it?
Yes.
I mute myself.
No, leave it on.
Leave it on.
Robin Hood is looking sick.
The hood is it still under 110?
Yes, 108.50.
Look, it might give me a short if it back tested though. Essentially, this play out right here, but what if we break down, bounce it's here, and then it gives me the short there?
Tesla is right on the 9 hourly, right here, 439.60.
Oh shit! The other side fell off too. What the hell?
Did you ever build it correctly when you first got it?
Yeah, I did. What are we at?
All right, my old dining room table, we'd be sitting there eating, and freaking giant screws and bolts would fall off the chairs and the bottom of the table and hit the hardwood floor. We're like, well, that can't be good.
That can't be good.
And I go, oh no. Oh no.
bitch sturdy now. We good. We good. Oh yeah, no movement. We're back, baby. I was like, why the hell is this bitch shaking? All of a sudden, I hear a screw fall on the ground. Okay. Oh, there goes Microsoft. Finally got that new high day. Breaking out there. Nothing else is new high day yet. Only other thing would be IWM. I still didn't get it though. It's right there. It's only Microsoft as the
The 5-minute squeeze fired on the previous candle.
Okay.
So watch for the move to 461.3 area.
What about
Apple's
the Google?
right at the lows, and then Google right around that 330. Nvidia, a little softer candle here. And then Tesla rejected right off the hourly 9 EMA, which was at 439.60. I think we could. I think ES should, because this is also the 9 on the hourly as well. I think ES should. I mean, we should back away or at least test it. We just came right to it. And then you got the overnight lows. In the last 5 minute, you do have a nice wick on the last 5 minute candle on ES.
I think even if I cut DraftKings for like a minus 10% loss on a day trade, I'd still be looking to enter this thing for a swing trade if it continues to hold down here on the higher time frame.
Yeah, this developing point of control is all the way up at 93 on ES. Kind of got a double distribution from the overnight session. I'm not looking at the RTH, but.
Yo, pleasure making money with you guys this week. Let's do it all again next week. Have a great extended weekend. Love you guys.
Have a good one, Maple.
Later, Maple. Ugh. My goodness. IWM to a high day.
There it is. There she blows.
Healthy equal lows. Is Google next to put in some kind of little reversal for a bouncy bounce? Just needs to get back over like 330.8. The pound here, reject after hitting that spot. Oh, I was trying to get back above it still. Oh yeah. Tessie, I know, hit target.
Got a couple wicks here on the 5 minute on the yes.
Yeehaw.
2 equal highs at 91 quarter. Let's see what they do with this 91 quarter level.
Need nothing. Well, if you wanted DraftKings for a cheaper entry than me, down at 71.72 off previous month low, it just gave it to you. So now, still holding, still waiting to see if it can get a bouncy and reclaim 33, put him in the money, see if that's low of day. Get any kind of intraday reversal for a fun Friday trade. If it continues to ping pong down here, then it's just going to be boring. And then I'm going to look for a swing trade on it. Probably on Tuesday.
I got a light short at 90.5. I'm looking for a move in ES back to 84.25 or the 9, rising 9 on the 15 minute. Just looking at these 2 5-minute wicks. We're equal highs. I mean, we could keep going here, but you had 2 highs. One was a small topping tail on the 5 minute, and then the next one also equal high again at 91.
Palantir.
Could move to 93, but
Sizable sweep coming in, 130 calls, 821, 2026, 1.73 million.
Hoodie trying to get over 109 now.
Still just sitting down there, holding previous month low. So wait and see if it can get up here. Burn premium. They're actually holding up decently. CIFR.
Cypher.
Yeah, having a good day. IWM almost at previous day high. Ooh, my DraftKings just flipped green. Yay. Yay. You're gonna need give me a lot more than that, DKNG. I need a moon candle. We want a moon candle. We want to see the moon. To the moon. To the moon. Oh, DraftKings. Ah. It's about to go in the money. Ah. 32.99. Oh, alert off. Now let's see. Oh, $33 calls in the money. Ah!
Taking it right back up. All right, I'm going
Here
to
we
cut
go.
this. Got no follow through on those 2 5-minute candles. Just took them out.
All right, I'm gonna take a small trim here on DKNG. $33 calls in the money.
There goes that WM. Still cooking. Good looking.
Yeah, Microsoft has a nice move off this low.
Yeah, it does.
It's just been straight one way to the upside. We have had no retracement here.
And I'm trying to send the alert now. Sorry, I had to take a picture of the chart. And there it is. All right, alert sent. Bing bong. Whoopsies. Microsoft 47%. Yay! Did it just hit target? 461.35. We're at right there. Bing bong. There it goes. Open door. Everyone's saying open, open, open. Well, don't tell me now. I want to be in it before it starts doing this. I'm not chasing it up here.
What the hell?
Who do you think I am? No, it looks great. Look, I still have it drawn here on the chart. Look, I still have it drawn. I actually wanted to go higher, breaking base over 7.75, and then rip up. Look, it's still drawn here on the chart. Look, there it is. So you have your lower high trend line here on the weekly. So that's what it needs to get above. There's your Microsoft 5-minute squeeze done and target hit. So here's your 5-minute squeezy squeeze. Dadgummit, hold on. Don't fucked up, Ron. There it is. So 5-minute squeezy squeeze fired here at 11:30, which will be this candle here. Target upside 461.35, which is there. And there is your move on the Microsofties. Nice job, King Buck. Oh, you got 2 Microsoft positions. Damn. My boy cooking. What you cooking, good looking? I'll tell you what, Microsoft calls. There you go. Here. DKNG.
Mama.
Look, see, when you tell me open and you see it ripping up higher, I don't want to buy that. I want to buy stocks that look like shit.
Oh, that's exactly where I wanted to go to, like 33.18. That's what I was looking for. Nice trade.
This is what I went to. Dude, I mean, chart overall though, I mean, looks like shit, but that's when you gotta buy it. Previous month low right there. I mean, that's the spot.
Anyway, I want to check Qualcomm. Oh no, Qualcomm.
Look at this.
Shit still.
Look,
Okay, so
if you highlight higher time frame, smaller time frame entries off big time frame reaction. Look. Whee. Can they pump my premiums yet? Knots wants QCOM.
Yeah, it doesn't look great. So I wouldn't really grab it, but CRM though, when I talked about that 226 bounce, that one did the 620 the 226 bounce on CRM that did work really nice. It's up just about $3.50 here.
Yeah, they killed the VIX.
Yeah.
They took all the juice out of everything.
Yeah, those NDXs I sold are burning premium now.
Yeah, here. I mean, we've been literally on these 1 minute candles on SPX just been stair step straight to the upside. I mean, if you're going to get a rejection, I would think it would be around here, at least for a scalp. It's not played out so far, but we're just kind of ping-ponging right here. I mean,
Watch Oracle here for a back test short.
Yeah. ES is against the 21 and the 9 EMA on the hourly. So if you were long from the bottom, it's probably where you would trim. Or think about trimming. But this is the volume area kind of point of control in the futures on the 5 minute. Which is why I think you got, look at these wicks now on ES. We got a few minutes till this candle closes, but you just had another 5 minute. We kind of wicked up to 95. Now you got a higher wick. So watch these two candles forming. Again, it's against that overnight low.
Ooh, I want to take it. Core weave about to fill the gap. Remember the level 102.78. Called out a bit ago. New high a day. It is almost there. Just missed about like 25-ish cents or so. Does anyone know if X is back working, or is it still down?
It's here and there.
It is.
Yeah,
Microsoft is squeezing.
Yeah, Microsoft looks good.
77%. Damn.
Amazon 5 minute candle back to the downside. Google slightly, and then Apple back to the lows basically of the day. So a little bit of push pull here.
Ooh, woo.
Yeah, this candle on ES. Watch this form here. You got 1 minute to go. If you're, like I said, I think this level, you may get a little bit of a pullback off it.
I have a level on Qs there, like 622.4. I don't know why.
Yeah.
But I do.
So that bar is formed. So you got a wick bar. I mean, you got two basically bars at that 94, 95. If you wanted to take a short, you could take it here. You stop it, be above the high on ES. Probably get maybe 4 or 5 points here.
I have a
Potentially.
level on this chart over here, there.
So
It lines up at the bottom of this zone right here. Oh, it's just from this previous session. It's from Monday.
maybe 81.75 if we start to fall apart. It's probably the
I mean,
target.
that level honestly goes back, even back over here.
They dropping it.
Are they rejecting it?
Yep.
Yeah, NQ just dropped 30 points.
Yep. There's your short, guys. Under that 89. There's 3-4 points right there if you caught it.
Yeah, SPY I had 693.52. It hit 693.47, off by 5 cents.
Yep, there you go. Probably goes to 81.75, I think is the level. Which is the 38.2 on the from the morning, from this low this morning.
If you took the Oracle there,
Yep, there you guys. If you took that trade, anybody that just took that trade, I just gave you. There you go. Bang, filled. There's your trade.
there you go.
I literally just called it out for you guys. So look at those two. Look at those two 5-minute bars. You got 2 wicks on the upside. Your short was from 89.50 or 89.25, I think it was, and there it was. I said 38.2. There's your fill.
Okay, now I wait. Maybe I'll do some futures trades throughout the day.
I think the downside move this morning was great. I think this upside move off the morning star reversal was great. That rejection right there was fantastic. Now I think we slow down.
Yeah.
I
Anybody
think
catch
now
that trade
we're gonna
on
chop.
ES? Anybody short that top there? That's a good. I mean, if you got 91 or 91.50, I mean, there's a good 10 points that just flushed right there. Let me know in the chat if anybody got in that.
I think Q's put in a small little reversal here. Nice bottom wicks off the gap fill here. So now I think we're just going to do back and forth.
Yeah, still mixed on the sector list. You got half and half, so likely sets you up for more mixed picture. I'd like to see us flush a little lower, be great. And we go test it. Yeah, like on that trade, I mean, here, I'll show you guys kind of what I was looking at, just so you guys can see. I mean, maybe on your own charts, but Casey wants to let me share real quick, and I'll show you how why I was waiting for that trade to set up. Second here. Close some of this stuff. I got too much stuff open. This is just a good little lesson here. Here, Casey, if you want to just throw my screen up there for a second.
Yep, I see it right there.
So what I was looking at is like we come off these lows from this morning here down here. A lot of the overnight volume was spent like at this volume point of control, which is this white line that's auto drawn. And then I got this cluster of lows right here. So the trade I'm looking at is, okay, we've run up off the bottom right into that POC and right into this overhead supply. So then you look, I thought maybe these 2 wicks here, you had 1, 2 next to each other that had equal highs, we probed above it to hit that POC level, or developing POC, I should say. And then you get these two candles, right? So as soon as you get that, I mean, the short, you could really took like 88.75 and you flushed, 6-7 points there, right below this candle. But you got these two higher wicks that are red. I mean, if you're aggressive, you could have took it off this candle, which was like 90. And then you get the move lower. So I like to look when we're coming down and then we're coming back up. Like, what's your area of overhead supply, which is in here? And then when I look at the volume profile from overnight session, you had a lot of volume spent in this area. So this is kind of how I look at those targets. Go ahead.
Go to your ES right there and just click and go to monthly.
On the monthly chart?
Yep, monthly chart.
I gotta hold on. Let me resize all this. Hold on.
No, you're good. It's just looking at the previous monthly candle. Mark the previous month candle high from December.
Yeah, so it'd be the December candle. Let me zoom this way in.
Yep. The high of that candle. Mark it there.
Yeah. So the high of the candle is 94. Where do we go to?
So mark
90.
that. Yep.
Yep.
And if you mark that level, literally on the monthly chart, if you mark that level he's talking about, now go intraday on the 5-minute where he just took that short. Look how it lines up.
We hit 94.
Wow. Would you
Right
believe that? Previous month high rejection on ES. Look at that.
Right there. So it's funny when you see that, and I didn't even look at that candle, but just the fact that that confluence shows up right in that same area. And then look at the rejection you had off there. 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. This could continue. I mean, if you're in this, if you have runners, I'd just put your stop back probably above this candle, like 89. If you want a tight stop, if this continues to roll. I'd like to see this close lower and then sideways and then follow through, but that's a great that's perfect. Look where we tagged. And let's look at where we develop. Get the volume in here. You got a couple points of confluence, and you get this overnight session of the morning, really the morning futures trading that I was looking at for rejection area. So those are trades I like to set up when you're getting, especially in a down move in the morning. You're coming off. Again, moving averages are moving lower. Here's the 200 on the 5 minutes above you. So you're coming into an area of resistance. You got volume. These are like the confluences you want to look for when you're setting up trades or you're looking to get into something. So
guys, I gotta hop off here. I'll be on in a little bit if you guys are still on.
Sounds good, brother. Yeah, I'm probably gonna go to lunch here soon.
Yeah, I might do that as well, actually. I'd hop off and then hop back on.
Yeah. I'll shut down the stream, but then we can start up again. Whenever whoever gets back from lunch first, just start it up. Send the link out. Don't matter to me.
Cool.
Let's see. Someone said NBIS is pumping. Yes, it is indeed getting a nice big candle here. Let me. That's where you want to go.
Dino nuggets. I like that. Big Red. So get some dino nuggets.
Allison. What we were
Yes,
looking
sir.
at yesterday. Dino nuggets.
First Iron Condor, I am taking off and one account up 50% profit. So I'm going to close that for win.
Ooh, I want to get. All right.
There we go. Didn't get more follow through there. I thought we would, but it is what it is. We'll take it.
It still looks good for a little bit lower potentially here on Qs.
Yeah, Q's looks definitely weaker. Definitely on the weaker side.
I just think if anything, if we come back down, hit previous day low, bounce, we're just going to be endless chop just in here, just until probably end of day. I don't know how many large positions or how many people honestly would like to be long overall the weekend and then 3-day weekend for market being
Yeah,
closed Monday.
my one
so.
fear, I mean, I just keep seeing saw some headlines yesterday and some stuff like that we've moved some military stuff into the Middle East. Not saying that anything gets sparked over the long weekend, but anything could flare up at any moment. So I'm just I don't really want to take any positions into the weekend, especially not on the long side, just in case something flares up, because you just never know. Listen, 3-day weekends, aren't they bullish? I mean, I don't know. They're bullish for theta. If you want to burn theta off, they're bullish for that. But I don't. I mean, typically, like, I guess where we are structure wise, it depends on what this close looks like in the afternoon. If we chop in this area, I'm not, and close like right here or something like that. I'm not as bullish or bearish, but I don't want any headline risk. So I definitely wouldn't be trying to swing stuff for Monday or Tuesday. I would not.
Let's see what we got.
But yeah, Q's a little weaker here as well. Amazon kind of rolling a little bit. Apple flirting with the lows at that 256 area. It's really hanging out. And then Google as well, below 330 again. They look like they could trend a little lower, but NVIDIA is obviously stronger, and Microsoft just pushed back off that 462 area. Majority of that volume on Microsoft has been spent around that 459, so 459.38 is kind of the volume area. And you have overlapping value from yesterday, same area on Microsoft. A lot of the volume time was spent around that 459. So if we do break a little lower, that's probably your area, 459.38. But all right, I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna grab some lunch. I'm gonna try it. Casey, I'll message you and jump back in the afternoon.
Yeah, sounds good. Send me a message whenever you're back, and then I'm gonna have Knots do the same thing, and we'll have someone start up the stream to do back half of the session for Power Hour before we go to the weekend.
Yeah, if you're looking for the link, obviously you got it on YouTube, right? So If you just go back to YouTube and search Wolf Trading, it'll show up probably as the only live stream you'll see. And maybe Casey will just put it out on if X is working, he can repost a link, or we both will.
Yeah,
click on it through there on X.
I just checked; it's working now. So me or Knots will be able to get the stream out and get the links ready to go. I'll probably be back, probably like an hour or so, and then be jumping back at the desk and run the live stream for the back half of the day.
Okay, guys, I'll catch you in a little bit.
Later.